basically social order? The social order basically mean that what you have to do and what not to do. There are some kind of a boundaries, and there are some kind of a main functions you need to perform, and there are something you have been told that you don't go for that. Like for example, if you are in a class and I will ask you, Hamza, you have to do this but don't go for this. What is the main purpose behind giving you some kind of such instruction? The reason behind that,
Sir, can you repeat? My Wi-Fi cut off.
okay, look, we are at social order. Okay, the social order simply means that what you have to do and what not to do, what to do and what not to do. The idea I am linking it, like if you are sitting in the class, I will ask you, Hamza, that you have to do this but don't do this. What is the reason behind such kind of instruction? Just to maintain the order of the class, that Hamza, do this but don't do this. Why I am doing this? Why I am doing such kind of things in the class? Just to maintain the structure, just to maintain the order, or just to maintain the balance in the class. Is that so or not, Hamza?
Yes.
So in the society, we basically do, and we have been told by some kind of a forces, some kind of institution in the society that gives us instruction that you need to do this but don't need to do this. Now, what to do this basically linked with conformity, and what not to do basically linked with non-conformity. The conformity mean that majority of people are agreed and they do such kind of activities. They have been asked that do such kind of activities, and they do everything according to the instruction given by some kind of social institution. What not to do? Non-conformity. You have been told that don't go for such kind of activities. If you are living in a society and Hamza, you have a proper idea that what you have to do and what you not to do, ultimately what will happen? The society stability will be maintained. If every person knows that what they need to do and what not to do, the stability around the society or within the society will be maintained. And who will maintain? It will maintain by some powerful forces in the society. The idea behind the social order is to maintain the stability in the society.